Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make oat fufu. Please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So without wasting much of you guys time, here I have my oatmeal. I'm going to go ahead to open it now. As you can see, it is still well sealed. I'm going to use my knife to unseal it, and after that I'll transfer some of it to my blender cup. I'll transfer as much as my blender can carry, and after that I'll place it on my motor and blend it until it turns to powdered form. So guys, as you can see now, this is my oats. After blending it, it is now in powdered form. So next I'm going to go ahead to place my pot on the fire, then add some water to it, cover and allow it to boil. And a few minutes after I'm done boiling my hot water, I'm going to go ahead to add some vegetable oil to it to prevent it from sticking to the pot. And after that I'll go ahead to add in my powdered oats, and next I will start using my wooden spatula to stir it until I make sure I combine everything together. Continue stirring it until you are sure that there is no lumps in it again. Please, my amazing viewers, support my channel by sending me super thanks, super chat and super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership. So as you can see now, there is no lumps in my fufu now. After I'm done mixing, I'm going to go ahead to add in some water to it, then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to continue stirring it until I make sure I combine everything together. And one more thing guys, make sure you cook your oats very well to avoid facing problem after eating it, because this oatmeal can be something else if you don't cook it well and consume it. So finally I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to scoop some of the oat fufu on my cling film, and after that I'll go ahead to wrap it. So guys, you can enjoy this oat fufu recipe with any soup of your choice, whether a egusi soup, ogbono soup, achi soup, ede soup, vegetable soup, any soup you can think of. This fufu goes well with any soup. And please guys, before I forget, don't forget to click on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon to see all my new video whenever I upload. And thanks for watching guys. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.